Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the Smart Sharper 2 effect. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to Lens, and we're going to be able to find Smart Sharpen 2 effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline, and then we're going to bring it to the beginning of the clip and drag it all the way to the end of the clip for it to fit the entirety of it. And now with the effect being highlighted, we're going to go up to special effects, mess with the blur. We can mess with the color, make it more colorful, or actually change the color with this gauge. We can mess with the filter, the strength, the range, and the sharpen. So let's take a look at it. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thank you guys for watching and have a great day.